Hello everyone, this is my project bit reverse addressing mode. This is a simple project. Here we can see that we have taken input bit as a 4-bit input and output is a 4-bit output. So from the logic we can see that our input bit will be reversed and the output bit, so that we can use this in FFT algorithms. So we have implemented this bit reverse addressing mode in Xilinx Spartan 3 kit. Here we can see that we have taken data bit as a 4-bit data bit. This is the data bit data 3, data 2, data 1 and data 0, and here output bit 4-bit output bit we have taken in the LED. So here we can see that the output bit for 3, output 2, output 1 and output 2 here we have taken as a 4-bit output. So here we can see that when our input is 0000, our output bit is 0000. So when we give input bit as a 0100, our output will be 0010, because our input will be reversed. So our this input bit will be come into output 0, out 0, this as a out 1, this as a out 2 and this as a out 3. So our input bit is a 0100 and output is a 0010. So here when we give input as a 1100, so our output is a 0011, and when we give input as a 1101, our output is a 1011. So here we can see that we have implemented this 4-bit bit reverse addressing mode, and we can use this in FFT algorithms so that our computation will be faster. And we have also implemented our bit reverse addressing mode in Xilinx ISE simulator. So here we can see that our input bit is this is our input bit and this is our output bit. So when our input bit is a 0100, output is a 0010, and same as 0101 input bit, output bit is a 1010, and same input bit is a 1100 and output as a 0011. So we can see that we have implemented our bit reverse addressing mode in Xilinx Spartan 3 kit, and same we have also verified our code in ISE simulator. Thank you.